I wanted to come to you today with a little unboxing, if you will. I'm not sure if you guys are familiar with IPSY, but it is a service where you pay $10 a month and you get a package in the mail every month that has a makeup bag and 5 items. These could be skin items, hair items, makeup items, whatever. So I decided that since I have my March bag and I have not opened it yet, I would do a little like surprise, see what's in it, and do a full face with everything that's in it. Hey y'all, it's Linda. Welcome back to my channel. I am so silly excited for this video today. This sort of feels like a weird full circle moment, I have to admit. So I started my YouTube channel back in 2013, and in 2014, I put up my very first unboxing video, and it was for the IPSY Glam bag. It was the first subscription service I had ever heard of that had this great makeup in it. There was Birchbox before that, I believe, but Birchbox was sending me shit like tea and just like random crap that I didn't want. I was more interested in the makeup, the skincare, the hair care, and they would send you 5 like deluxe sample sizes, and it was $10, and you would get a little bag with it, and it was so amazing. And eventually it got me into so many different products, and I got to try a whole bunch of stuff, and I loved it. But when my collection grew a little bit, I moved on to, other subscription services, ones that had full-size products, and I still use those. But at the same time, all of you have been begging me to try IPSY again because of their Glam Bag Plus. So they have several different tiers now. The first tier is similar to what I used to get, where you get 5 deluxe size samples, and the price is now $13 because it's been a long time and inflation and all that. And also, let me tell you, I still have a bunch of my old IPSY Glam bags. A bunch of these I would give away as Christmas gifts. I would stuff them full of little goodies and give these away to my friends. But these 3, you can rip out of my cold dead hands, okay? Tell me that this bag is not the best one you've ever seen, ever. You can't have it. But like I said, their first tier is 5 deluxe samples for $13, and then past that, they have the IPSY Glam Bag Plus. So that is $28 a month, and for that, you get 5 full-size products. And I think I actually cried when IPSY reached out to me and let me know they wanted to send me some goodies so that I could talk about it with you all. This video is not sponsored, but they did send this to me. I am going to do this very similar to how I do my BoxyCharm unboxings. So if you're unfamiliar with how I do my subscription box unboxings, here's how it goes down. Usually I would start by looking at the last month's products and let you know how I use those items throughout the month and whether I thought that it was worth the amount that the box cost. But since this is my first month, I'm not going to be doing that. So I'm just going to be going into this month not really knowing what's inside. This does tell you that the theme is pretty wicked, but doesn't tell you the items that are inside, because normally I like to put all of this on my face with you all, but there are a few caveats. Number 1, because I only review cruelty-free makeup, beauty, skincare, hair care, all of that, if an item in the box is not cruelty-free, I'm not going to talk about it too much. I'm just going to kind of put it aside and give it away to family, to friends, and just in general a giveaway. Number 2, if I can take a look at an item in the box and know that I'm just going to use it once for you on screen and never again, I'm not going to use it. I'm just going to put it aside so that I can give it away brand new to somebody else. But also number 3, I don't like to test skincare products on camera because I feel like skincare is something that's more cumulative, right? So I need to use it throughout the whole month to let you know how I like it. So I'll talk about it, I'll talk about the benefits of it, but I'm not really going to apply it on screen. But any makeup that is in there, I will apply for you on my face. Right now, all I have on is foundation just to kind of get the party rolling, because usually they don't include foundation in here. If they do, I'll take this off and apply the new foundation, but usually it's just different kinds of makeup that are not foundation. But let's start by getting into the Glam bag. This is so exciting to me. Okay, first of all, the bag is amazing. You've got these little black glossy lips with vampire teeth with the green zipper. This is another one that's going in my collection. You will never get this from me. This is so exciting. I am so excited. So the very first The very first item is by Tatcha. This is the Dewy Skin Cream. Oh my God. Okay, I'm not gonna lie, I was not expecting this. I feel like when I used to get IPSY, I mean, this is when they first started. The brands were great, but they weren't like brands that everyone knew, or they weren't like really high-end brands. This is a high-end brand, so I love the Dewy Skin Cream. It is such a fantastic moisturizer. I already know I love this. Already know I love it. So that's 1+. The next item is, what the hell? Okay, it's a Viseart palette. A freaking what? This is the box that's $13 a month? What? Oh my God. So this is the Petite Pro Un palette, UN. Let's see the color story. Ooh, so this is a nice little neutral moment. It's definitely some deep shades in here that you could work with to create like a smoky eye hair all over me. You could definitely make a nice like smoky eye out of it, but it does have some of those warm bronzes in here. Okay, look, I'm sold. I wonder how much this palette alone is worth. These, I mean, I know it's like a little one, but this has to be worth quite a bit of money. Oh my God. The next item I'm like scared is, okay, this is by, I think it's Farah. It says F-A-R-A-H, but there's a dot in between each one, so it's like an acronym for something. And this is a matte liquid lipstick, and they are certified as cruelty-free by PETA. So that's good. That's a pretty rose color. I like it. Look at this. Oh my God, that's 3 items, okay? The 4th item is an eye primer by M2U New York City. I'm not familiar with this brand, but again, they are certified cruelty-free and vegan. Okay, this color is definitely going to be a little light for me, but I think I can make it work as like an under eye brightening. So yeah, that's exciting. And the 5th item is a skincare item. It's called Solution Doctor's Scrub. So this is a ruby crystal microderm exfoliant, a daily facial exfoliator that adds hydration and removes dead skin cells. This has a rabbit on it. That doesn't necessarily mean it's cruelty-free. It says no animal testing on it. I don't usually love physical exfoliants. I prefer chemical exfoliants, but I will give this a try this month and let you know next month how I liked it. So make sure you subscribe and tune in next month. But wow, okay. For $13, I got Viseart and Tatcha. Dudes, my dudes. That's amazing. Oh my God, and I have 3 things that I can use to create a look possibly. Okay, so we're gonna move into Glam Bag Plus, and again, this one is $28. Yes, this one is $28 a month. So we've got the same print, but it's in this great drawstring bag. I see, one thing I do love about IPSY is these bags, because I love giving these as gifts and reusing these. Like, this is great gift wrap now. But so this includes 5 full-size items. Let's see. I'm a little worried because my hopes are kind of high from the Glam bag. The first item we have is by This Works. It's called In Transit No Traces Rosewater and Mint Infused Pads. Gently remove makeup and daily pollution. Okay, so these are makeup removal pads. Let me see if this company is cruelty-free. I'm not familiar with them. Okay, they are certified by PETA as being cruelty-free and vegan. I'm not going to try this today, but I will try this over the next month and let you know next month how I liked it. The next item, and this is Glam Bag Plus, remember, is by another brand I've never heard of, Dermalect Cosmeceuticals. This is the Self-Esteem Beauty Sleep Serum. This overnight treatment effectively revitalizes dull-looking skin, focuses on fine lines, wrinkling, and large pores, great for age spots, uneven skin tone. Are they coming for me? Wrinkles, age spots. This serum just called me old. But really, it has glycolic acid and salicylic acid and L-absorbic acid. I hope I'm pronouncing that correctly, but again, I don't see anything about it necessarily being cruelty-free. Let me take a look. Yet again, they are certified as being cruelty-free. I'm not going to lie, I don't have a ton of interest in this one because salicylic acid is not usually what I go for. I usually go for glycolic and maybe lactic acids, but I will try this maybe at least once throughout the next month, I think, but we'll see. So far, the $13 Glam Bag is beating the $28 Glam Bag Plus for me, but let's keep going. The third item is by Murad, and this is the Renewing Eye Cream. So Murad is definitely cruelty-free, and I love an eye cream. This is very moisturizing, very hydrating is what it says. This is also a big, thick product. Like, this is a thick boy. Little concerned that we have 3 skincare items, like no makeup yet. I mean, they're good skincare products from what they seem, but okay, let's go to the 4th item. We have another serum. Okay, so this is a vitamin C serum by Butta, B-U-T-T-A-H, for all melanin skin tones. Okay, I'm not familiar with this brand either. This brand says that they're cruelty-free, but it doesn't look like they have any certifications at all. But I do believe that this may be targeted. I mean, it's a vitamin C serum, so I think anybody can use it. But I do believe that this skincare line in general is targeted at people with a deeper skin tone than me. So if you are that deeper skin tone, you might want to check this brand out. I will try this out this month. The only problem is I do have a lot of vitamin C serums kind of in line right now, so I don't know that I got to try it. But wow, okay, 4 out of 5 items are just skincare. Let me see what the 5th item is. There's definitely more than 5 items in here. Okay, there's 6 items. Okay, we have, okay, it's makeup, and it's Sugar Rush by Tarte. This is a black eyeliner, so I'm fine with that. It's just a pencil liner, a clay liner actually it says, but it's in a pencil form. It says 16-hour wear, waterproof. We have some makeup we can use. And the very last item, so again, I don't know if this is a bonus item or whatnot. Oh, wow. Okay, we have Il Makiage. It's a high volume and intense curl mascara. It's called Icon. They are definitely cruelty-free as well. Wow. Okay, so if you are into skincare, you will really love the Glam Bag Plus this month because there were 4 skincare items in there, which is nuts. But then we also got an eyeliner mascara. This is exciting. Okay, so today on camera, I'm going to be able to try this eye primer. You know what? I love that I held it underneath my eyes like it was a concealer. It's an eye primer. I like my eye primers to be lighter, actually. So we will try this along with the Viseart palette. That is so exciting. And then we've got a mascara and an eyeliner and a lipstick. Ooh, this is exciting. Okay. All right. The eye primer comes in like a little doe foot jammer. I actually like the color of this because you can see it blocked out all the color on my lid. So that's very nice. It is a little bit of a drier formula, so you'll probably want to work one eye at a time. All right, this Viseart Pro palette. Oh, these are so cute. So I'm actually going to start by highlighting my brow bone with this lightest shade. The pigment on this is insane. This is a cool tone look we're going to be doing here. So what do we want to do? I think I'm going to start with this kind of cool tone brown in the crease. And deeper in the crease, I'm going to go in with this sort of wine color. Actually, this color is so beautiful. I want this all over my lid. This color is such like a one and done smoky eye. So pretty. I'm just taking a fluffier brush to kind of blend that out. Pretty. I haven't done a proper smoky eye in a while. Okay, so I want to, before I go under my eyes with that shadow, I want to go in with the Easy on the Eyes Tarte and Sugar Rush clay liner. So again, this one is a twist up, but there's also on this side, we do have a sharpener. So I'm going to leave it at this sharpness and I'm going to line just all around my eyes and I'm going to smoke that out. Okay, and with a little smudger brush, I'm just going to smudge that out. Smudged out kind of nicely. Ooh, I do think that I want like a pop of shimmer, maybe a little bit. I don't know. Am I going to ruin it if I do that? Should I just stay kind of like dark and spooky over here? Let's stay a little dark and spooky. So I'm actually going to go back in with that smudger brush and that same wine shade and just kind of smoke that out on the bottom. Why don't I do more smoky eyes? Okay, I'm going to go in with the Il Makiage Icon mascara. Okay, so this is a plastic brush. I usually don't love these, but let's give it a shot. I feel like these plastic brushes are great for separating your lashes, but I never feel like they give you much volume, you know? So things might change with the second coat, but I have to say after just one coat, I do not like this. I'm going to give it a second coat, but I don't feel like it made my lashes any longer or any more volumized at all. I feel like it just took my own lashes and just separated them more, if that makes sense. And I really thought this would be, you know, I think this says like mega volume, high volume and curl. I don't see any of that right now, but let's go in for a second layer. This mascara, okay, we'll talk more about that later. I'm gonna go ahead and finish up the rest of my face. I wanna put on some bronzer, my eyebrows, some blush, highlighter, and I'll be right back so we can try out this lipstick. All right, the final item to try is this Farrah liquid lipstick, and the shade is Cocoa. I don't know if this is gonna go with this look. I think it's gonna be a little too deep for my liking, but let's give it a shot. We have like a little flat doe foot applicator. All right, so again, I don't know if it goes with this look or if I'm just a little thrown off because I don't usually do a bold eye and a bold lip, but oh my God, the color and the feel of this liquid lipstick, I am shocked. It is amazing. Now, it hasn't dried down fully yet. This is my dream color. This is like, it looks in here like a rosy color, I feel like, but on my lips, it's like the most perfect brown red. All right, so let's talk about these two. So again, the regular Glam bag is $13 a month and you get 5 deluxe size samples. So these are not gonna be full size products, but if they are calling like a Viseart palette as a deluxe sample, like this has to be worth, what, like 25 bucks if it's Viseart? Oh my God, and Tatcha Dewy Skin Cream, and we've got this exfoliator. And what else was there? I think the primer was in there. Yeah, we've got the primer, the lipstick, the Tatcha Dewy Skin Cream, the exfoliator, the Viseart. I am blown away at this. This is not the Glam bag of the days of yore. This is amazing, amazing, amazing. So loving the base Glam bag. As for the Glam bag plus, there was a whole lot of skincare this month. So again, we had 2 serums. We had a sleep serum and a vitamin C serum. We had a makeup remover and the Murad eye cream, but we also had the Il Makiage mascara and the Tarte eyeliner. So the Tarte eyeliner I really liked. It goes on very black, but it's very easy to smudge out, to blend, and it doesn't, you know, hurt your waterline, which I think is really important. I think it looks really nice. It's a black liner though. The mascara I do not like. I don't think I like it at all. It did dry down eventually, but it stayed wet for a very long time. And again, I feel like it's separated my lashes nicely, but I don't feel like there's any volume there. So this personally is just not for me, but I am curious to try out these skincare items throughout the month. We shall see. So I'm not necessarily going to do these like Sarah from Better Off Red. She does the BoxyCharm battle where she compares the base box of BoxyCharm to the higher end BoxyCharms. While I'm not planning on necessarily making these into a battle, I do have to say that this month for me, the standout was the regular Glam bag, the $13 one. The items in here were kind of mind-blowing. Like, I was definitely not expecting Tatcha and Viseart. Like, I was not expecting that. So I am super impressed. And again, this does feel full circle. So each month, what I'm going to do is I'm going to come back next month and I'm going to look at all the items that came in this month's Glam bags and let you know whether or not I thought that they were worth the cost. Because as of right now, the $13 bag, 100% worth the cost for me. The $28 bag, we're going to have to see because I need to try these skincare items. So that's it. Please consider subscribing so you can catch these every single month when I film them. Thank you so much to IPSY for sending these over to me. It really warmed my heart because I was such a fan when I first started my channel. IPSY was such a big part of me starting my channel. So this feels really kind of emotional. I know that sounds overly dramatic, but thank you all for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. You all can follow me on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Those are all GlitterFallout. And as always and forever, you are super freaking rock stars. I love you so much with my whole heart, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.